everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm a host from BukitVista. Welcome to Bali. Today I'm going to show you all the way from airport to Bukit. I don't want you to be lost in this beautiful paradise, so I'm going to show you some checkpoint to get there. As you can see now, I'm already in the first checkpoint. Welcome to Garuda Wisnu Kencana. Let's follow me now. If you are using GPS, usually it will recommend you to the fastest way, which is this way. But I'd like to inform you that cars cannot pass through this way. So just go from the first intersection after GWK, go straight ahead. From the main road, you will find this T-junction and then you'll just take turn right to the Jalan Pantai Dingin. If you're reaching this point, then you know that you're already here. Both ways are directing you in the same directions, which is Bingin Beach. If you go over there, it's going to be an old parking lot. In this lovely evening, I'm going to take you a tour to one of our places. So let's go. The best part in this place is that we have our own private pool that you can chill in.
So now I'm at single fin. I'm still watching sunset and see some surfer for surfing here. That's a beautiful beach for surfing in Uluwatu Beach. And there's a party tonight in single fin, and the party is every Sunday and Wednesday.